Anika's Integrity implant is a hyaluronic acid-based scaffold intended to augment tendon repairs and support regenerative healing. Composed of Anika's proprietary resorbable HIF material and reinforced with non-absorbable polyethylene terephthalate, the Integrity implant is the only hyaluronic acid-based tendon augmentation implant available. Integrity can be confidently manipulated in open and arthroscopic procedures. Thinner than alternative implants, Integrity is easy to maneuver and place and provides nearly 50% greater tensile strength, over 3 times greater suture retention strength, and over 3 times greater tear resistance than the leading competitive collagen device. Hyaluronic acid, or HA, is naturally produced in the human body and is known for its regenerative capabilities. However, HA has a short resorption time and rapidly degrades. Therefore, scientists created HIF, a chemically modified form of HA with an increased residence time that slowly degrades in the body. As Integrity's HIF fibers begin to degrade, hyaluronic acid is released into the repair site, creating an embryonic-like environment favorable to tissue regeneration and healing. Natural hyaluronic acid serves as a binding site for cytokines, pro-healing proteins that mediate cell migration, proliferation, and differentiation. It also helps regulate specific cell types to modulate inflammation and healing. The Integrity implant's porous structure further optimizes the interaction between the implant and the native cells to aid in tissue regeneration. As Integrity degrades, new tissue is formed within the fibrous scaffold. In a head-to-head animal study, fibroblast infiltration and regularly oriented new collagenous tissue had occurred within the Integrity repair as early as 12 weeks post-implantation. At 26 weeks, the repaired new tendon tissue had a thickness nearly 3 times greater than the leading competitive collagen device. Inspired by the body's natural hyaluronic acid healing capability, the Integrity implant's proprietary HIF technology supports regenerative healing, promoting new tissue growth to create a strong tendon repair.